Hello Dnation and welcome to a special unboxing review episode. For the first time we're going to be unboxing a set of 5 1/64th scale muscle machine cars which are manufactured by Hot Wheels. These are 5 premium muscle machine cars that piqued my interest and I grouped them together for this unboxing review. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, let's begin by taking a look at the packaging. These Hot Wheels diecast muscle machine cars come in the signature Hot Wheel card box blister packaging with all the product branding and information. And as you can see, I got 5 muscle machine models from this Hot Wheels series that piqued my interest. So let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging before we set these beauties free. And with that out of the way, and as we get this open, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast collectibles away from children below the age of 5 as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get this opened. Well, at first glance these diecast muscle machines look quite premium and have a good build quality to them and also have quite a bit of detailing to them as well. And these models are manufactured mostly of diecast and a few bits and bobs with ABS plastic, which makes them premium looking. These models have a beautiful build quality and they measure in at 2.5 inches in length, 1 inch in height, 1 inch in width and weigh in at about 90 grams on average depending on the model. These models also come with spot-on paint apps according to their color scheme and branding details and have free rolling wheels and a lot more which makes them functional too. So as you can see, and just so you know, these are the 5 different diecast muscle machine cars in this Hot Wheels series collection. So with that being said, let's quickly run through the model names of these premium Hot Wheel cars. Well, this is the Surf and Turf from the Trackstar series and it has an amazing wood panel finish with a blowout engine and a surfboard on the top of the roof which explains the name. And here we have the Roger Dodger from the Larry Wood collection, and this car has a pretty good pearl white paint job with retro flame graphics and a blowout engine as well, which I really am liking. And moving on, here we have the Street Rodder from the Larry Wood collection as well, which is available in 3 variations. And as you can see, I've got the red variation which has a retro paint job with flame graphics. And this is the Teed Off Edition 2 which is from the Hot Wheels Sports collection and I love the massive engine on this one. And finally we have my favorite, which is a 69 Camaro Z28 from the Hot Wheels Tuned collection and I love the Spectraflame green paint job on this one. So moving on, I guess you might have noticed that all these cars have one thing in common, and that is the blowout engines. Well, I'm a big fan of blowout engines and muscle cars and I decided to go with this theme with maybe an exception or a few here and there. And this is just one of the 8 Hot Wheel Muscle Machine episodes that I've got in store for you, so stay tuned and check out some amazing, unique and premium muscle machines by Hot Wheels. And so with that being said, let's take a closer look at these muscle machines and check out their wheel spin and their functionality. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding these Hot Wheel muscle machines in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with all these premium Hot Wheels. And so with that being said, let's place these diecast muscle machines on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these muscle beauties in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. Hot Wheels is a brand of diecast toys which was introduced by American toy maker Mattel in 1968. It was the primary competitor of Matchbox until 1997. When Mattel bought Tyco Toys, the owner of Matchbox, many automobile manufacturers have since licensed Hot Wheels to make scale models of their cars, allowing the use of the original detailed blueprints and detailing. Although Hot Wheels was originally intended for children and young adults, they have become popular with the adult collectors, for whom limited edition models are now made available. And for its 40th anniversary in 2008, Hot Wheels celebrated the making of the 4th billionth car with the production of a diamond-studded model worth $140,000. It had 2,700 diamond chips, a total of almost 23 carats, and was cast in white gold with rubies serving as taillights. And for further information on Hot Wheels, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones any one of these Hot Wheel muscle machines that were featured in today's video, I dropped the best buy links in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to which one of these Hot Wheel muscle machines are your favorite. And a big thank you to all my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback, and this is much appreciated. And this brings us to the end of this amazing and unique unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on today's episode, kindly do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes on Hot Wheel muscle machines coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.